Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's too funny.
Smells like ketchup over here. Alright, she's got no love for the dog food, huh? The other one ate it.
There's his friend. Hey, monkey. He's like actually coming in there. He's like, I'm gonna eat this. That's too funny. He's like, no cheeseburger. What are you eating, monkey? We're at the gas station going back to San Jose for the night, back to our friend's house, and they just cleaned our windshield. Thank you. It hasn't rained today yet, which is good, but it's only like 3 o'clock and it's already getting dark, so I'm gonna go in and get... Oh! The car has now locked itself and the seatbelt is moving on its own and the water is dripping in. So cleaned our windshield and windows without bothering to ask if we needed to close anything. Anyway, it's fine. I might get a snack in there in a little gas station. But yeah, they're few and far between, but we're only driving 70 kilometers but it takes 3 hours. If I was in the van, I probably would have filled up once this entire trip because I get about 400 miles to a tank, and 70 kilometers is like, I don't know what that is, like 40 miles, I think. Yeah, not very far, but it does take 3 hours. So these roads are nice, they're paved, but you have 1,000 million people going 30 kilometers an hour, like 20 miles an hour, deliberately, because the roads are curvy, windy, and when it rains, you can't see shit. There's our guy washing our window. Alright, the bathroom's around the corner.